Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is our stuffing video for my paycheck. It is Saturday, April the 15th, and I hope that y'all are having an amazing weekend. We're going to go straight into this. So today we are going to be stuffing $682 for my paycheck. I did get paid $2,125. So we are going to go right in and stuff it. I'm trying to get away from the Erin Condren binder and just do all natural, not spend any money on planners or stickers or anything like that, and then just use my binders, count my money and stuff that. So we'll see how it goes. Let me know how you like these layouts and if you prefer them. But anyways, let's go ahead and count how much money we have to match. $682. So we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 600, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 80, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, and 82. So $682. Now I'm going to explain all the dollar bills and everything later on whenever we get to it. And it's going to be for my cash stuffing, actually. So we are just going to lay all of these out and get to stuffing. So these videos will probably not be as long, but we'll just see how we go about it. Let's see. I still want y'all to see everything. This new layout. Let's see. I'll probably zoom y'all out again like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and do our cash envelopes. So cash envelopes, I do groceries, food, well, that's food, groceries, gas, and fun money. And I also have cushion, which usually is $300, and any other leftovers that I don't budget in. So first off, it's going to be groceries, and groceries is going to be getting $100. So 20, 40, 60, 81. And that is going to last us for 2 weeks. Gas, and we do have some leftovers, so that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 27. So we have $27 left in gas. This is going to go towards the money challenges Tuesday. So be on the lookout for that. I just set that aside. Any rollover money between my cash envelopes goes straight to money challenges. Gas will get $140. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, and 40. Now gas has been creeping up a lot. I think 2 weeks ago it was like $3.04. Last weekend it was $3.24. So I have no idea what this weekend will entail for us. Fun money is where we are going to get most of our dollar bills. So fun money, I kind of use it mostly for yard sales. We have a big yard sale coming up this weekend. So we are going to break down $100. So we have 120, 3 10s, 6, let's do it like this. We have 6 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 5s, and then $20 bills. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. All right, so let's go ahead and count to make sure that we have $100. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So $100 is going to go towards our fund money, and we will see how much money we spend tomorrow. Usually I don't spend $100 at yard sales, so we shall see. All right, moving on to my sinking funds. Now, my sinking funds medical, we are going to be doing $23. And I am just going to go ahead and update it while we are doing it. And I will do the totals off camera. So $23. 1, 2, and 3. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So we have $150, which is great. I think I have a doctor's appointment in a couple of weeks in May, actually. Car maintenance, as you can see, I did have to get some tires, and tires was $300 for one of them. So we ended with $305 left in the car maintenance. For actual cash, I believe. I think it's actual cash. Maybe I did it wrong because I still have the $500 and I took the cash out. So we will have a new update in a few. So this is totally wrong, of course. So we're going to do $35. And let's see. 20. Okay, so we have 500, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, and 96. So $596 is how much we have. So 35, so we have $596 is how much we have left. And that is after we bought the tire for $300. Vacation is going to be getting $150. So we have $150 and $55, and then come back on Tuesday, and this is actually going to be emptied because it goes straight to challenges, Disney challenges, of course. Dobby is going to be getting $30. So let's see. So we're doing 20 and 30. So we have 20, 40, 50, and 60. $60. Dobby is loving daycare. He gets so excited when he gets to go, which is only once a week, but he is so excited when he does. Christmas will be getting $20, so we have 20 and 1, so $21. And this also gets unstuffed every Tuesday as well. Special occasion is going to be getting $20. And this one we have to bump up for a wedding this year. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 21, and 22. So $122. The wedding's not till October. Home is going to be getting $5, and that is going to bring us to 20, 40, 45, and 46. This is probably going to be emptied as well because we are redoing our flower bed. We are putting down white rocks, drainage rocks, and then we're going to be planting some really pretty flowers. It's been probably about a month since we've been working on it because we're trying to save money and budget it while doing it as well. So beauty is going to be getting $0, but we are going to count it still. So 20 and 21. And then renewals is going to be getting $20. And I have a renewal for, I think my tag or my license. I think it's my tag in July. So we have 20, 40, let's see. I got some dollar bills that are stuck. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 85. So $85 for renewals. And that is it for sinking funds. And last but not least is our eBay, which is our side hustle. And we are going to be stuffing $39, and that is from sales from eBay for the past 2 weeks. So 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, and 39. So it has been slow still for the month of April, but it's fine. I do have, I want to say I have about 20 something, $30 in Mercari that I usually wait to deposit or to withdraw until the end of the month. And then also I have one sale that's going out, and I have 2 payments that are waiting on eBay. So we'll see, we might get, well, pretty sure we'll get at least $30, but hopefully more. We still have 2 more weeks. But anyways, so we just added $39. So for our side hustle for the month of April, we have 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, and 53. So that is it, you guys. We have $53 in side hustle. So we stuffed our side hustle, we stuffed our sinking funds, and then we also stuffed our cash envelopes. I hope y'all have a great rest of the week. Thank you guys for coming along here, hanging out with me, and watching me stuff my paycheck with my sinking funds and cash envelopes and everything. I hope y'all like this kind of layout. I'm trying to find something different, change a little bit of my atmosphere. Let me know if y'all enjoyed that. And if not, I can go back to Erin Condren's. It's not going to hurt me at all. But anyways, I love you guys, and thank you so much for all of your love and support. I will see you guys on Sunday for what sold on eBay, and then Tuesday for a money challenge. So go ahead and watch the money challenge, because you might be in the running for a $10 or $25 Amazon gift card. I love you guys, and thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys later. Bye.